Had a bit of a change of plans here today. Originally I installed this wire mesh longer, and I had it spot welded along here and along up in there and across there. And so I cut them shorter today, all four of them. So the plan is to actually have some stainless there instead. So this one is a little more close to finish. So I've got a piece welded in underneath here. So it's a place for the wire mesh to get welded onto. And it's some extra support as well for the piece of stainless that I want to put on there. So I'm thinking this stainless would be a lot more durable for the skis to run on than that wire mesh. So up on top here I still need to add a piece on the bottom, and this one as well on the bottom needs a piece. This is actually part of an old bed frame. So I cut that to fit and a bit of an angle there. So that fits underneath here. So there's one for either side, and then it will be similar to this. So this is also that piece of bed frame. So I had enough material like that to make four pieces. I'm using some vice grips to clamp this piece to this piece, and the other side is prepared as well. I've got some spot welds on the bottom side here, so I'm getting ready to weld. There's a bit of interference at this corner. So I think I'll clearance that corner just a little bit so it fits in there a little flatter.